Okay, the second error that came up was approaching questions when x, which is what we want to make the subject, appears more than once. Okay, there are two absolutely fundamental rules which we must follow. One is we're going to have to collect all the x's together. So collect all the x's on one side. The other is we're going to have to factorise. Okay, we must factorise at some point because we don't want 3 x's. Okay, we just want one x on the left hand side of our equal sign. So key step number 1, collect everything, all the x on the left hand side. So we've already got 2 of them there, so 3x minus 5ax plus zx equals ay. So now we've done part 1, we've collected our x's. Now we're going to factorise. And the factor that we need to take out is x. Minus 5a to take out that, plus z equals ay. So now we've factorised. Now we've just got x multiplied by a something, multiply x multiplied by this thing. So to get x on its own, we divide both sides by this thing here. So we have x is equal to ay divided by all of that stuff.